Welcome to Woodland Power Products, home of the Cyclone Rake. This video will show you how to fix an engine that won't sit properly. Let's begin. First, make sure the chassis is not mounted upside down. This will cause the engine to sit crooked. To make sure your chassis is oriented properly, look for the yellow sticker on the chassis that says topside before doing any assembling. The tabs that line up with the tabs on the motor frame should be relatively flush with the top of the chassis, so when you lay the motor frame on top, the two tabs touch. If your chassis is mounted correctly and your engine is unstable, look at your hitch forks. Most often, if the engine is unstable or not laying properly on top, it's because the hitch forks are mounted above the chassis rather than beneath it. The hitch forks must be mounted below the chassis so that the engine can lay flush on top. And that's it. Your engine should now sit properly. Thank you for watching. If you're still having problems, please contact our dedicated customer service team via email or phone.